Is that good?
Higher.
Higher?
There you go. Right there.
Or just angle it?
Angle it the other way.
This way?
There you
Oh,
go.
perfect.
Right there.
All right, cool.
Perfect.
Hey, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Hangar.
Hey YouTube, I'm Blake.
And I'm Nate.
We're here at the workshop.
Yep, we got another episode of the Hangar for you. Today, what we're doing is that community building that we're talking about, really where the rubber meets the road. I think everyone's been there where you've been a little hard up on cash and great, your car gets a problem, whether it's a wheel bearing or it needs brakes or who knows what it is. And I can say from experience, that's how I started wrenching.
Same
I
here.
didn't have the money to pay for mechanics, so I said, let's do it myself. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of this gentleman's car for free because it's about the community.
All about giving back.
Absolutely.
So we're doing this here today at the workshop because we're in Michigan. We got about 2 inches of slushy, wet, nasty snow outside. So we're in here, and instead of laying in it, it's just gonna fall on the back of our neck instead.
Salty.
Yep, so let's do it. Today we have a Buick Rendezvous that has a bearing bad on it, a wheel bearing bad, and it's really bad. Blake, let's see what's going on here.
So check the other rear, no slop at all. Grab this one. A little bit of slop in there.
Hey Blake, what's that in your back?
Snow and ice, I'm sure.
When you have an issue with the bolt, what do you actually need? Most power. So, you want to see what a destroyed wheel bearing housing looks like? Right here. We got one full bearing, we got half a bearing, we got... What else do we got?
Here's some more bearings that are no longer around.
We have some...
Those should roll when you push them. And they don't because they have flat
They
sides.
should look like... Actually, that one's got something shaved off it too.
Yeah, here's a sharp, what's left of it. Like this is triangle bearing. They work well with their triangles.
They work the best. Let's see right here. There's still two good ones. And the reason it spins is because they're all gone. Good news, didn't need this bad boy. I mean, it really wouldn't matter if we did anyways, but it makes it easier. Here's the one we're going to replace it with. Let's do it. Job well done. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and jam that like button. And stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot more of these, hopefully. Have a good one.